and welcome to Girl Talk World. Today we're going to be playing Would You Rather, and I'm going to be asking Alex what she would rather. So let's get into it. Okay, so would you rather never have pizza again or never have chocolate again?
Oh, that's so hard, but I'd say never have pizza again because I love chocolate way too much.
I know, we do like chocolate, we do like our chocolate. Okay, would you rather wear formal clothes to school every day or pajama day every day?
Formal clothes.
Formal clothes?
Yeah.
I have PJs.
I want to look good.
Would you rather have a unicorn horn or a mermaid's tail?
A unicorn horn, because then I could dance. Like if I had a tail, I would never be able to dance again.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And also unicorns are pretty cool.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you rather win an Oscar or an Olympic medal?
An Oscar.
Yeah?
Why?
Yeah. Honestly, I kind of would want to do both.
Yeah. Why
Just
not?
both.
Let's
to
do
put
both.
it on the shelf,
Yeah.
right? Rather own a puppy the size of an elephant or an elephant the size of a puppy?
An elephant the size of a puppy would be adorable.
The little trunk?
Yeah.
Aww.
Yes, please.
Okay, last question.
Okay.
Would you rather have super powerful sight or super sensitive hearing?
Powerful sight.
Yeah?
Sensitive hearing could be kind of annoying.
Well, yeah, because there's like alarms, like a fire truck.
Yeah, you just like be constantly really nervous and hear everything.
Yeah.
The sight for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. That was fun.
And that's all of our questions.
Yes. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can win a chance to attend our upcoming tour, The Next Step Absolute Dance, live on stage on this upcoming issue of Girl Talk on May 1st.
May 1st?